Good morning from downtown Disney. It is the month of October, and I am here to give you some monthly updates of what's going on at the Disneyland Resort. We're going to head inside. We're going to get right into it. I'm going to show you all the new things happening, construction, all of that stuff. So let's head on in. We're going to start with downtown Disney. Let's go check out what's new and what's happening. All right, so this is the Parkside Market area. There's still a lot of construction going on here. We do not have an opening date. This is going to be a bunch of different little eateries inside of here in downtown Disney. This is near the stage area with the grass. So no opening date on this yet, but it is coming along. We have a new cart here in the downtown Disney area. This is a candle cart. They have these beautiful candles. All right, let's go into World of Disney because, well, I'll surprise you guys. I'll show you why. So it's October, so of course we have our Halloween merch out. But if you look just across the way, pretty neat, buddy. Christmas is out. So if you're in need of your Christmas merch, it is out here at World of Disney. I'll show you a quick close-up. We got new Spirit jerseys. I love the light pattern on that with a matching loungefly, matching ears. Oh my goodness, Crocs. All kinds of fun Christmas merch out here at World of Disney. The other new cart we have here in downtown Disney is the Kawaii Slime Company. They have really adorable slimes if your kid loves slime. They also have this really cool make-it-yourself slime area. So you pick all your different things to put inside and the color of your slime. They smell really good. My kids love this cart. Definitely check it out if you're walking through to get to the parks. So we are inside of Disneyland now, and this is the railroad station here on Main Street. This has been under construction for a while, and there is no reopening date. Doesn't look like it's reopening anytime soon, but just know that the railroad is not operating at this moment. All right, next we are heading over to what was formerly Critter Country, which is now being referred to as Bayou Country. There's a lot going on over there. They took down a lot of the construction walls, so you can see a lot of what's going on. Tiana's Bayou Adventure opens next month, November 15th, but there are Magic Key previews starting Monday, October 21st. So let's go take a look at what we can see over in Critter Country. Yeah, Bayou Country. So over here we have, this is going to be, I forget the exact name, but it's something like Madame Leota's gift shop of sorts. It's right at the exit of the Haunted Mansion. So that is the new merch shop that's going in. And let's head over to check out Tiana's Bayou Adventure. So we will head into Bayou Country. One new announcement here, we have the Hungry Bear Barbecue Jamboree. So it is no longer the Hungry Bear restaurant, it's the Hungry Bear Barbecue Jamboree. That is opening October 25th. They have some new menu items coming out. And as we walk through, you'll see some of the walls are down now, so we can see some of the new queue. Let's see what we can see here. A little sign there says Children's Garden. Ooh, look at this. It looks so nice. Over here. Some more cute decor in the queue over here at Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Let's head down more and see what we see. So here we're coming over to more of the building side here. You can see all the artwork up there. Let's get a little more peek at the queue. We're almost there, opening November 15th. Liking all the colors. And here's the front, the main entrance. So we're gonna enter the building. Also new over here in Bayou Country, this is one of the new merch shop. This is Lewis's Critter Club. They're gonna have Tiana merch in here. Again, this is right across, that's where you exit. And so right across is like the exit merch store here. And over here on the side, we have some new decor. Got a pretty bayou set up in this window here. Some posters all around. believe this store is opening a couple days before the ride. Another fun little update. There are some new water refill stations around the park. This one over here is in Critter Country, obviously by the Winnie the Pooh ride. There's another one over by Big Thunder and one by Alice in Wonderland, all themed to where they are located. So water refill, water fountain, great for those hot days. So that's what's going on over in Bayou Country. We're going to hop on the Mark Twain to see if we can get a look at the Haunted Mansion queue construction and possibly any railroad, Disneyland Railroad construction that's going on. Changes they're making, we'll see. I'm not sure if we're going to be able to see that, but let's go hop on. Let's see what we can see happening behind the scenes here.
The old mansion you see over
Haunted Mansion queue.
I heard it said that the place is haunted, filled with 999 ghosts, ghouls, and goblins. And they're looking for one more to make it 8,000. If you're brave enough, you should see for yourself after we arrive back at the landing in Frontierland.
Look over here. Looks like we're not seeing any railroad construction over here, which is some pretty views. Last time I did this, we saw them working on it, but not today. So those are the updates for right now, but I have one more for you that might kind of blow your mind because it is October 17th. Let me show you one last update before we end here. So October 17th, we have a clash of the holidays. We are in full Halloween mode, but there is officially snow on the castle. Always goes up a little bit early, so you'll see a little bit of both in the parks here now, but they are getting ready for Christmas, and there is snow on the castle. And those are the updates for the month of October at Disneyland, so make sure to follow along. I post monthly updates here on my YouTube, as well as other fun things happening in the park. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.